Welcome to the Family Holiday Destinations podcast, where we inspire your next family adventure. I'm Jessica Palmer, mother of two and founder of Family Holiday Destinations, and today we're chatting about one of Australia's most loved coastal regions, Noosa and its stunning beaches. Whether you're a family looking for calm waters, a family with young surfers chasing the perfect wave, or someone who just loves walking along golden sands, the beaches in Noosa have something for everyone. So grab your sunnies, pack the sunscreen, and let's dive right in. First up, Noosa Spit. This is where the river meets the ocean, and it's a classic spot to kick back with a picnic. It's dog friendly too, so bring your furry mate. The kids will love the space at low tide, but be warned, it's a popular beach. If you're visiting in peak season, you'll need to get in early for a car park, as that can be mission impossible. The Noosa River. If you want wave-free beaches for little kids to splash safely, head to the Noosa River near Lions Park. There's a playground, a huge grassy area for running around, and even a Ben & Jerry's ice cream shop within walking distance. What's not to love? Noosa Main Beach. Noosa Main Beach is iconic. It's one of the few north-facing beaches in Australia, and it's patrolled all year round, which makes it a hit for families and first-time surfers. It's right next to Hastings Street, so you've got restaurants, shops, and accommodation all within reach. But a heads up, parking here is also mission impossible in the school holidays, so you'll need to get in early. Want something a bit different? Lake Kutharaba at Boreen Point is a massive saltwater lake and perfect for young kids. It's shallow, safe, and there's plenty of sand to play on. It's also great for stand-up paddleboarding and canoeing. It's around a 25-minute drive from Noosa Head, with plenty of camping options here as well. Peregian Beach. Peregian Beach is a local favourite about 15 minutes south of Noosa Heads. It's patrolled, rarely crowded, and has a lovely little village vibe. After a beach stroll, you can check out trendy cafes and boutique shops or visit the monthly markets on Kingfisher Drive. Sunshine Beach. Sunshine Beach, formerly Golden Beach, is another local hit. It's wide, open, and surrounded by beautiful pandanus palms. There's plenty of room to spread out, and if you visit between June and October, you might even spot migrating whales offshore. How cool is that? Granite Bay. For those looking for a bit of adventure, Granite Bay in Noosa National Park is a top spot for surfers. You'll need to hike a scenic walking trail to get there, the Noosa Coastal Walk. And even if you're not surfing, it's a great place to watch the action and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Tea Tree Bay. Tea Tree Bay is another Noosa National Park beauty. It's unpatrolled, so it's not recommended for swimming, but it's a peaceful spot to stretch out on the sand, explore rock pools at low tide, and maybe even spot a koala in the trees. It's definitely one of the prettiest beaches to relax and take in the views. This one is accessed from the Noosa Coastal Walk as well. Marcus Beach. Last but not least is Marcus Beach. It's nestled between Peregian and Sunshine Beaches, and it's partly dog friendly. Think golden sands, sparkling blue ocean, plenty of space, and your furry friend loping along beside you. It's usually far less crowded than the touristy hotspots, so it's perfect for a quiet beach day. So that wraps up our journey through some of the best beaches in Noosa. I'm sure there are plenty of other amazing spots out there, and we'd love to hear some of your favourites too. Thanks for joining me on this chat about one of Australia's most beautiful coastal regions. I hope this has inspired you to explore Noosa's stunning beaches with your family. For more tips and detailed travel guides, head on over to the Family Holiday Destinations website at familyholidaydestinations.com. And until next time, happy travels and enjoy making those family memories.